my viewers, welcome back to my channel. This video is dedicated to welcome the special occasion of Makar Sankranti. Makar Sankranti or Uttarayan, as it is called in some places in India, is a festival of celestial importance as the sun begins its northward journey and enters the Makar Rashi, the zodiac sign of Capricorn, from the Tropic of Cancer. The sun is known as the giver of life and is considered immensely powerful, and the Hindus worship the sun god with reverence. The word Sankranti means transit of movement of sun from one zodiac sign to another, with 12 Sankrants in a year, out of which the importance of Makar Sankranti is the highest. So this particular transit of sun from one zodiac to another holds importance for the Hindus. As the interesting fact about Makar Sankranti is, it usually falls on 14th or 15th of January every year, with exception of certain years when it differs by a day or so. The festival is also one of the very few festivals which are observed as per the solar cycle, as generally Hindu calendar follows lunar cycles. As per Hindu Panchang, the festival of Makar Sankranti is celebrated in the Posh month during the Shukla Paksh. This festival is considered to be highly significant for those who believe in Hinduism. In addition to this, it is the same day when the sun enters Capricorn from Sagittarius zodiac sign. It is believed that Makar Sankranti, on this day, those who perform donation as per their financial ability get immeasurable fruits. Also, they are blessed by Lord Sun with fulfillment of all desires of their lives. The period of karmas will end on the day of Makar Sankranti, that is January 14. After this, auspicious activities like marriage, mundan and home entrance will begin to take place. The Shubh Muhurat for Makar Sankranti is on, this year it is falling on January 14, 2021, Thursday. Punya Kal Muhurat will be from morning 8 o'clock to 12:30 afternoon. Duration will be roughly 4 hours 30 minutes. Mahapunya Kal Muhurat is from morning 8 o'clock to 8:27 in the morning. Duration will be roughly 24 to 27 minutes. Now, there are some remedies which can also be done on this day. The day of Makar Sankranti holds immeasurable significance in Hinduism. It is believed that performing donation on this day fulfills all desires of one's life. Also, it is beneficial for attaining happiness, peace, and financial security. So let us see what are some of the simple and exact remedies through which you can make your life happy. These are some things which I am taking out here in glass bowls, as you can see. I just wanted them to put here so that you all can see if I say something, and if you see those things, it will be easy for you to, resonate with it. This is black sesame, or we call kala til in Hindi. This is white sesame or safed til, and this is jaggery or gur, what we call. So on the day of Makar Sankranti, what you have to do is you have to put some sesame in water before taking a bath. Taking a bath from sesame water is considered to be highly auspicious. It depends. In some places I have seen in India, you don't get the black sesame seeds, but you definitely get the white ones. So it is up to the availability. You can either use the black one or you can use the white one. If black one is not easily available, you can definitely go for the white ones. If a person is ill, he or she is advised to apply sesame paste on the day of Makar Sankranti. You can just grind it and put the paste all over your body or on the infected regions or on infected parts of the body. It helps a lot. After this, he or she should take bath. This helps in attaining good health. After taking a bath, put some sesame in water and offer the same to Lord Sun. This helps to enlighten ideas and focus on achievements. It is believed that once one gets rid of mistakes committed unwillingly by donating things on Makar Sankranti, what we all should donate are like blankets, warm clothes, ghee, sesame, etc. And you will be blessed with peace and prosperity. And in the similar way, we can put sesame in water and offer the same to our ancestors also. This gives peace to their souls. Along with this, you can also put a copper coin or a piece of square copper piece of metal in a stream of water to reduce illness, and this can also reduce the various the sun doshas in your kundli. That can also be reduced if you do this remedy. Following this, I would also like to offer you a special reading or guidance as to which color you can wear and go for the Uttarayan Puja, for your Bihu Puja, for your Pongal Puja, or do the auspicious Puja for Makar Sankranti, zodiac sign wise. This zodiac sign wise, you can follow sun sign, moon sign, your ascending sign, any sign which you want to consider, you can consider in this video. Please don't get confused. I'll be telling you the color which is favorable for you on this Makar Sankranti, and which color can bring good luck to you, which colors can provide you with prosperity, good health and wealth. Along with that, I'll be also offering you some inputs on what all to donate this Makar Sankranti. So let's start. Let's begin with the first one. Oh, I have a jumper card for Aries. Aries, lucky color for you is tangerine orange. So try to incorporate this color on Makar Sankranti day. Try to get some clothes or nail paint or handkerchief or anything, or other zodiac sign. If you want to gift something to these other zodiac signs, you can also follow the lead from here. For Aries, tangerine orange is very good, and Aries, you have to donate mosquito nets and sesame seeds. This will help in fulfillment of your heart's desires. Moving forward, our second sign, Taurus. For Taurus, the lucky color for Makar Sankranti is rainbow. Wow, you are a very lucky people. Any color you can go for. Rainbow, all the 7 colors. You can pick any color. Very good for you. Taurus, the rainbow color. And donation, donate woolen clothes and sesame seeds. This will prove to be fruitful and attain all your favorable things, whatever your heart desires. Moving on, Geminis. Lucky color for auspicious Makar Sankranti is apricot. Apricot is also, that marigold orange color. This is very good for the Geminis. Go on with this color and have all your heart's desire fulfilled. As for the donations, Geminis, you need to donate mosquito nets to the needy. Next, moving on to next sign, Cancerians. Lucky color for Makar Sankranti, Cancerians, lilac. Lilac is a lovely color. It strengthens your faith and it provides a very strong will to you. Try to incorporate this color this year on Makar Sankranti. And for donation, you have to donate sesame, soap and woolen clothes. This will give you auspicious results. Cancerians, please try and do the following. Leos. Lucky color for my Leos is purple. Leos, try and incorporate this purple color this year on Makar Sankranti. And to donate, you have to donate sesame, blankets and mosquito nets to the needies. Moving on to our next sun sign or zodiac sign or moon sign or Venus sign is Virgo. Lucky color for Virgos is black. You can wear this black color. You can incorporate this black color on Makar Sankranti. What you have to donate is you have to donate sesame, blanket, oil, and urad dal. See, whatever I'm telling you to donate, it is not that you have to donate all the things of the list. You just can pick anyone. As I said in the starting of my video itself, as per your financial ability. It is not a compulsion that you have to donate all the things. Donation should be made from your heart. Okay? Then this is for Virgos. Moving on to our next sign, Libra. Librans, lucky color for you is amber gold. It's a very nice gold color. You can try and incorporate and utilize this color this year on Makar Sankranti. And what you have to donate oil, cotton, clothes, mosquito nets as per your financial ability, and this is going to be very, very fruitful to you. Next, my zodiac, Scorpions. My Scorpios, lucky color for you is green. Wow, what a nice refreshing color. Green. Scorpios, try to introduce this color in your life, especially on Makar Sankranti. Just try to imbibe anything green color on this day, and you have to donate rice and khichdi of lentils. Dal, chawal, khichdi you have to donate to needy people. Moving on, Sagittarians, lucky color for this auspicious day, lilac. Sagittarians, lilac is a very, very lovely, very soothing color. So you can easily get handkerchiefs or nail paints or any small token. Even your gents, you get very nice t-shirts or shirts, anything which you can go for. You can go for the lilac color, and you have to donate sesame and chana dal, the full yellow color chana dal, or any other lentil if you get, but preference is sesame and chana dal. Next, moving on, Capricorns. Capricorns, lucky color for you for this day is indigo. Indigo, try and introduce this color on this special day of yours, and donate oil, sesame, woolen clothes, blankets, books, anything which you can think can be of help to other needy peoples. Please try and donate it. This will help you fulfill all the desires of your life. Moving on, Aquarians. The lucky color for Aquarians is magenta. Very nice and bright color. This helps you connect to your deepest inner knowings. This helps you to connect to yourself. And Aquarians, what you need to donate oil, clothes, soap, and to needy as per your financial abilities. Again, I am laying emphasis on this. Okay, please follow this. This will help you favor your fate. Moving on to the last sign of my zodiac, Pisces. Lucky color for you is your blue. Very nice color, very soothing color. This is also a color of protection. Try and introduce or incorporate this color on this Makar Sankranti. And what you have to donate, Pisces, you have to donate sesame, chana, blanket, and mosquito nets. This will help you emancipate all sins of your life and get auspicious results. So all my lovelies, have a very, very fruitful Makar Sankranti ahead. Do not forget to help others as well as per your financial ability. May this festival be good to you and also to others through you. Okay? Thank you so much. Thank you for tuning in. Please do not forget to write your views and comments in the comment section below. Thank you so much. Wishing each and everyone, all my viewers, happy Makar Sankranti. Thank you. God bless.